Good morning students. Today we'll start the concept as significant digits. Also we are going to call it as significant figures. The another word for figures is digits. And what do you mean by significant digits, or what do you mean by significant figures? What is the need to study? What is the importance to study these significant figures? That is very important. Now I will discuss what do you mean by significant digits. Before going to the definition of significant figures, first we will know about what do you mean by significant figures. I would like to tell you some examples. Let us take, what is the need to study this one? To increase the accuracy of measurement. For example, you are measuring the dimension of or some physical quantity of one object. For example, this is an object, its length is equal to its measured value. After measuring, the length of this object is equal to 2.93781 centimeter. To have the accurate, for example 2.93 can I take, or 2.937 can I take, or 2.9 only can I take? Up to what digit I have to consider the length of this object? The measured value becomes length of this object is equal to 2.93781 centimeter. But this big value, up to this digit, it is not possible to remember the value, and I have to decrease the digits to a certain extent, but after removing some digits, that accuracy of this measurement, that should not change. Therefore, how to take? Can I take 2.9 only, or can I take 2.93 or 2.937? Up to at what digit I have to consider this number without changing its, without change in the accuracy of the length? ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಈ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರಿಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್, ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಕ್ಯುರಸಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಂಬರನ್ನು ನೀವು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಕ್ಯುರಸಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಏನಾಗಬಾರ್ದ, ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಕ್ಯುರಸಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. For example, one more example I would like to tell you. My mass is that is 245 kg to 248 kg. Just I am telling my mass. My mass is that is around 245 to 248 kg, or the mass of this subject is 245 kg to 248 kg. Here 200, this is range the 200. I don't know the mass of the subject. The mass of the subject I am telling 245 kg to 248 kg. In this number, which one I have to take? Either you can take this value or you can take this value. For example, I am considering this one 245. I am not sure about my exact mass. I am not sure about the exact mass of this object. 200 is, that is real number. This is meaningful. Yes, that is 200. Here also 200, here also 200. Yes, it is a meaningful digit. But here 40 and here a range 40. This is 45, this is 48. Whatever, it is 45 or 48. But the 40, the placeholder is this is a 10, this is 10, this is 40, this is 40. Okay, the 40 is also meaningful digit. But here 5 is there. The 5 is not meaningful. The 5 is not meaningful. It means that it may be 45 to 48. The mass of the subject is 245 kg to 248 kg. But 200 is sure. 40 is also sure. But I am not giving the presence of this position of this digit, exactly I am not sure about this digit. It may be 245, it may be 246, it may be 247, it may be 248. There are four that is confusions are there. 200 is, are you sure about the 200? Yes. Are you sure about 40? 45 to 48 range? Yes, I am sure about 45 you can take or 48 you can take, but 40 is there. Yes, I am sure about this digit, but I am not sure about this digit. How come? It may be 45, it may be 6 means 246, it may be 7 means 247, or it may be 248. That's why this digit is not meaningful digit. Which are the meaningful digits? This first digit and second digit is a meaningful digit. This number is not meaningful. Therefore, in physics language or in science language, this not meaningful digit we are going to, the digit which is not having a meaning, we are going to call it as non-significant digit. Non-significant digit. Non-significant digit. And 248 to 245 to 248 range, in which 200 is sure? Yes. This position is sure? Yes. This position is sure, means 200 is sure, and that is a meaningful. And 45, 48 means this is also 4, this is also 4. It may be 45, 46, 47, 48, whatever, the range is 40. Getting? And this is also meaningful, but this is not meaningful. Therefore, that non-meaningful digit we are going to call it as non-significant digit. And this is significant digit. This is significant digit. Significant digit in the meaning, that is meaningful digit. Significant digit. And one more is 4 is also significant digit. What is the meaning of significant digit? Meaningful digit. Meaningful digit. Meaningful digit. This is example number 1. This is example number 1. And take another example. Take example, another example. Another example. The length of the subject. Length of the subject is equal to, I am taking, that is 2.1875 to 2.1879 centimeter. The length of the subject. The length of the subject is equal to, I am telling approximately in between the range 2.1872 to 2.1879. It may be its length, it may be 2.1872 to 2.1879. Are you sure about 2? Yes, I am sure about 2. Yes, it is a meaningful digit. What about 1? 1 is also sure, because this is also meaningful. What is 8? 8 is also here 8. Yes, this is also meaningful. Here 7. Yes, here 7. Yes, this is also meaningful. But here 2.1872 and 2.1879. In this, which number is not sure? This number varying from 2 to 9. Number is varying from 2 to 9. Means it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 6, it may be 7, it may be 8, it may be 9. It may be 9. It means that the length of the subject is, it may be 2.1872 or 2.1873 or 2.1874 or 2.1875 or 2.1876 or 2.1877 or 2.1878 or 2.1879, which is, therefore these last digit of the measurement is, I am not sure about that last digit of the measurement. But which are meaningful digits? Yes, these are meaningful digits. But the last number, I am not sure about that number. Therefore, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, it may be 6, I don't know, that is, therefore these are all, therefore the last digit is non-significant or meaningless digit, significant, and remaining numbers, and remaining these numbers are called as meaningful digits or significant digits, or significant digits. This meaningless numbers we are going to call it as non-significant, that is the last digit is a non-significant, remaining all digits are significant digits. Therefore here in the measurement, whichever it is the value you are getting, depending upon the meaningful digit and meaningless digit, we have to segregate those. And what do you mean by significant figures? We have to define now, and you are understanding this meaningful digits are called as a significant digits, and the non-meaningful digits are called as non-significant digits. And the definition of the significant digits we can take, that is the significant digits means meaningful digits. The significant digits means meaningful digits. Plus one non-significant digit. One non-significant digit. Together is called as significant figures. Significant figures or digits, figures. Therefore the better meaningful you can take, here also significant, there also significant, there also you are getting confusion, you can use it as meaningful digits. Meaningful digit. Meaningful digits plus one non-meaningful means non-significant, or else you can take the definition like this, or else you can take another definition, and here the length of this object is 2.1873 to 2.18739. This is meaningful, this is meaningful, this is meaningful, this is significant, this is significant, this is not meaningful. This is not meaningful. Called as non-significant. This is meaningful, this is meaningful, but 2 it is varying. I am not sure about 2, and I am not sure about time. It may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5. 2 is varying from, this number is varying from 2 to 9. That's why about this number and about this number I am not sure about it. That's why they are not meaningful digits. Non-meaningful digits are also called as not significant digits. And there is another word I am going to use, that is this is certain. This is also certain. This digit also certain. This digit also certain. This digit also certain, but this is non-certain or uncertain. Uncertain means I am not sure about this digit. Certain means significant digits. Certain means significant, means meaningful digits. Significant or meaningful, or meaningful, or meaningful. And here it is certain, 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 but it is uncertain. It is uncertain or non-certain. This is meaningless, not meaningful digit, or not significant digit. You can use the another word as significant or certain digits. Therefore the definition is, what is the definition? It is the or one, or certain plus certain digits plus certain digits plus one uncertain digit, one uncertain digit, one uncertain digit. Means uncertain in the means that is not significant, not significant digit. Together we are going to call it as together we are going to call as called significant figures. Significant figures. Significant figures. And see now, only one not significant digit you have to consider along with all significant digits. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಟೆನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಅನ್ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 281732 28177. Here this is certain. This is certain, this is certain, this is certain, this is certain. This is not meaningful, this is not meaningful because it is varying from 3 to 7. That's why what is the significant figure? Therefore significant figure is equal to 2817 and this is, let us take 2817, this is around 28,000. 28173 to 28877. 2 is 2, 8, but this is 1, this is 1. This is the position is 100. This is 1, this is a 10, this is 100. 173, 877. Means this value is also not meaningful. This is also not meaningful. This is also not meaningful. This is also not meaningful. Not meaningful. Not meaningful. This is certain. This is certain. And this is not meaningless digit. Meaningless. Because here this is 1, this is 8. It may be 200, it may be 300, 400, 500, 700, 800. This number is varying from 100 to 800. Therefore this digit is also meaningless. This is also meaningless. This is also meaningless. This is meaningful. This is meaningful. This is meaningless. This is meaningless. This is meaningless. First two digits are meaningful, but here it is varying 100 to 800. 173 to 877 means 100 to 800 is varying. Therefore it may be 173, 174, 175, 176, 177 up to 877. Therefore these are not meaningful. But what is the significant digit I have to take? First you write the meaningful digits, 2 and 8 meaningful digits, 28, 28 plus 1 meaningless digit means non-significant, that is you can take 1, you can take 1 here, that is for example I am taking 1, 281 means this is the significant digit, this is the significant figures, 3 significant figures are there. And another example 107 or 110 to this is 125, this is also 100, this is also 100, yes this is meaningful, this is meaningful, but here it is 1, this is 2, this is varying 10 to 25, therefore these two are not sure about these numbers. It may be 10, it may be 11, it may be 12, it may be 13, it may be 14, it may be 15, it may be 16, it may be 17, up to it may be 25, possibility is there. Therefore these two digits I am not sure about those digits. Therefore what is the significant digit? First 1 is a meaningful along with only one non-significant. These are two non-significant, you have to consider 1. Only one non-significant plus meaningful digits. Meaningful digits is only 1. And here meaningless digits are 1, 2. 2 are there. Whatever it is the number of non-significant, but only you have to consider 1. That is meaningful digit. This is the significant figure. And therefore here many examples are there, and a rule is there how to consider the significant figures. There has been a rule to write the significant figures, and we can see about the rules and regulation of how to find out the significant figures coming in different measurements. And you please write down the definition, we'll see about that one next. And how to write the significant digits, there are some rules are there and regulations are there, and we'll see now those. The first one is all non-zero digits are significant. If the number is not having zeros, then all the digits we can consider it as significant digits. For example 1370, 1371, is the number having zeros? No. These are called as non-zero digits. These are called as non-zero digits. Non-zero digits are all significant. Are all significant. Significant. Therefore, consider all the numbers are meaningful digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. And take one more example. 15731. Non-zero digits. There is no zero present here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. All are meaningful. Answer is 5. How many significant digits are there? 5. 15730. This is not all non-zero digits. This is, that number is not belongs to this one, because here 0 is there. This is non-zero, 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 but here 0 is there. Don't consider this one. Don't consider this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your answer is 4. 4 significant digits are there. 2370. You can take here. This is non-zero, non-zero, non-zero. This is 0 is there. Don't consider. 1, 2, 3. Only answer is 3. 3 significant digits are there. And let us take the rule number 2. Let us take the rule number 2, that is all zeros between non-zero digits. If the zeros are present between non-zero digits, for example 3 zeros are there present between 2 and 5, non-zero, non-zero, zeros present between these two, then consider all are meaningful, means 5 significant. ನೀವು ಝೀರೋನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆ ಝೀರೋ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ದ ನಡಕ್ಕಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ನಾನ್ ಝೀರೋ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ದ ನಡಕ್ಕಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ then those are considered as a meaningful digits. Or 6.06013. 0 present in between non-zero digits, therefore all are meaningful. 1 2 3 4 or 1 0 1, 0 present between non-zero, therefore 1 2 3, answer is 3. When you consider 0 is present in between two non-zero digits, then you consider all are significant. And go to third one. If the number is less than 1, for example 0.0013700, this number is less than 1. If the number is less than 1, this is less than 1. Starting zeros after the decimal are non-significant. Starting zeros after the decimal, after a decimal starting zeros are not significant, but final zeros are significant. Then how many significant figures are there? 1 2 3 4 5, answer is 5. According to this sentence, read the sentence and see the example. And one more example, 0.0000130. Starting zeros after the decimal are non-significant. Then final zero you can consider. If the decimal is there, point idra matra final zero consider madbeka. Then 1 2 3, answer is 3. One more example, 0.01120000. Starting 0, that is only 1 is there, don't consider this one. 1 2 3 4, consider all. Then how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6, answer is 6. Are you getting the example? Then go to next point. By converting the unit, one unit to another unit, if you convert, there is no change in the significant digits. For example, fourth one, that is fourth one. For example, 10 centimeter is there. It is, don't consider this 0. How many significant digits? Only 1. How many significant digits? Only 1. Unit is centimeter. Convert centimeter to meter. Convert centimeter to meter. Centimeter to meter. Then how to? 10 divided by 100. Then 0 0 getting cancelled. What is the answer? 0.1 meter. Before converting, the value is in centimeter. Whenever the value is in centimeter, how many significant digits are there? 1. I am converted centimeter to meter. Then the centimeter is getting converted into meter. Then how many significants are there here? Just 1. Before conversion, how many significant? 1. After conversion, again the significant digits is equal to 1. It means that by converting one system of unit into another system of unit, there is no change in the significant numbers. And take one more example, that is 111 meter. How many significant digits are there? This is 3. 3 significant digits are there. Convert meter to kilometer. Then how to convert? 111 divided by 1000. That is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That's why we can take the divide, that is 1000. 111 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.111 kilometer. Then here after conversion, how many significant digits are there? Again 3. Whenever the value is in meter, the significant digits are 3 here, and after conversion meter to kilometer, again the 3 significant digits are there. By converting one system of unit into another system of unit, there is no change in the number of significant figures. Or you can take one more example. This is a 12 gram. How many significant digits are there? 2. Convert gram to kilo, that is kilogram. How to convert? That is convert. How to convert? 12 divided by 1000, because 1 kilo is equal to 1000 gram. Then it is become 0.012 kg. Then after a decimal, whatever it is the 0, don't consider this is. Then how many significant? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. How many significant? 2. Whenever the value is in gram, how many significant digits are there? 2. After converting gram to kg, again how many significant digits are there? Again 2. It means that by seeing this one, by observing this one, what you are taking the conclusion? One unit anna innondu unit ge ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೈ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ಪವರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೊಟೇಷನ್, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀದ್ರಿಂದನೂ ಏನಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಗ್ನಿಫಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 100 is there, don't consider this 0. How many significant digits are there? That is only 1. And write this 100 in terms of, write this number in terms of scientific notation or a power, 10 to the power plus 2, 10 to the power plus 2, that is 1 into 10 to the power plus 2. Always we are don't considering powers. Powers anna yavattu consider ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? Then don't consider powers. And how many significant digits? Again 1. How many significance here? 1. 100 can be written like this also. Don't consider the powers or scientific notations. Then how many significance? 1. And take one more example, that is, take one more example, that is 1000. How many significant digits? Only 1. Don't consider these. Don't consider these zeros. And write this number in scientific notation. 1 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3. How many 3? Plus 3. Don't consider the powers. Leave it. And how many significance again? 1. Number ಅನ್ನು scientific notationಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪವರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ significant digits ಏನಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. And again take one more example. That is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Don't consider the power. How many significant is it? Just 1. And 1, 2, 3, 0 into 10 to the power 2. And how many significance are there? I am writing this in the another form. 1, 2, 3. This 0 I am adding here. Into 10 to the power 3. Don't consider power. Then how many significance are there? 3. This is your answer. And take one more example. That is 231700000 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 1. And how to write this one? 2317 1 2 3 4 5 into 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 means 6. Don't consider this one. 1 2 3 4. This answer is 4. And take one more example, that is 23173 into 10 to the power of plus 100. How many significance are there? Don't consider this one. Then what is your answer? Only 5. And the final example, that is 2.1370 into 10 to the power of plus 2. And here after decimal 0 you have to consider, but don't consider this one. How many? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 significant digits are there. And 1 2 3 7 into 10 to the power minus 1. Don't consider the power, leave it. 1 2 3 4. The answer is 4. 7 9 8 1 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Don't consider the power. Then how many significance are there? 4. You practice many examples like this. You are getting how to write the significant digits, and I will give you some example. You try it yourself. Getting? Okay, see some examples. By solving these examples you are getting how to write the significant digits. The first one is all non-zero digits, then all are significant. How many? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. And the second one is here, this is the number with zeros, then don't consider these zeros. Then how many significant? 1 2 3 4 5. Again your answer is 5. And next, this is having a point here, decimal. Then if it is a decimal, consider all are significant. 1 2 3 4 5. Answer is 5. And next one is, you can consider this 0 because here is the point. If the point is not there, then don't consider 0, but here point is there, decimal is there. If the decimal is there, you can consider the 0. Then how many significant? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Answer is 6. Then the powers we are not taking in order to expressing the significant digits. Remove the power or a scientific notation. How many significance? Answer is 1. And here I told you, that is a fourth rule. Here if the value is lesser than 1, 0.000137, this number is less than 1. If the number is less than 1, the starting zeros are non-significant, then remaining are significant. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 3. And here the same example I have taken. Here 0.0013700, the number is lesser than 1. Starting zeros don't consider, but final zeros you have to consider. Then how many significant? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5. And go to next one here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 8. If the point is there, then consider all are significant. Then here powers, don't consider the powers in order to express a significant digits. For example, we have discussed here. Then how many significance? 1, 2, 3. Answer is 3. And again power is there. Remove it. How many significance? 1, 2, 3. Answer is 3. And here power is there. Don't consider the power. How many significance? 1 and 2. 2. And here power is there. Don't consider the power. How many significance? Answer is 1. And again here power is there. Don't consider the power. What is the answer? How many digits are there? That is 1. And here this is the number having the zeros. Can I write this one? 1785. I am writing 1785. Can I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Then 10 to the power 5 plus 5. Then don't consider the power. Then answer is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Then come here. This I am writing 1785. 1, 2. 2 plus 10. 10 to the power 12. Power, don't consider the power. Answer is 4. And you try yourself many examples. Then it is very easy to write how many significant digits are present in the given number. That can easily we can find out. The power is -1 or +1, whatever it is, don't consider. And here 10 to the power plus 10 is there. This is 11, this is a 12, means 1785, 10 to the power 12. These zeros I have added here. 10 plus 2, 12, don't consider the power, remove it. 1785, 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. How many significant digits are there? That is 4. And many examples you can take yourself and try to find out how many significant digits present in the given number. And this is very important for your CET also. And don't forget this one. Try to write or try to find out the number of significant digits in the given number.